Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video we are going to be doing a review on the Revlon One Step Volumizing Blow Dryer. Like, this is good. Like, guys, this gave me like a salon blowout. Like, I don't know how I feel about the volumizing. I don't know about that, but you guys have to stay tuned to the end of the video so you guys can see how I feel about it all in one, if I recommend it and all that stuff. So stay tuned to the end of the video, but I do have to say I do like it so far, so stay tuned. So if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, love, so this is the finished completed look. My final thoughts on this Revlon voluminizer, I think that's what it's called. I wouldn't say it gave me tons and tons of volume, because I'm the type of person that I do love volume in my hair, just because my hair type is I have a lot of it, but my hair is very thin. So I do have a lot of hair, but it's just really thin, it's not thick. So I feel like I do need that volume. So no, it did not give me the volume, but it did blow dry my hair very nice. So I definitely love that. It does cut my blow dry time short, because if I was normally like blow drying my hair with a brush and a blow dryer, I would take at least an hour, and this is like a half an hour. So this is really good. I wouldn't say it gives you volume, but it does blow dry your hair and it gives you a nice blowout. So I absolutely love the blow dryer. I definitely recommend it. I don't know if it will work on thick hair, just because I don't have thick hair. I know my sister does, and I want her to try it just so to see if it works for her hair type, just because we do have different hair types. But I'll let you guys know if it does work for thicker hair. And then the only thing that I put in my hair after I was done blow drying was my argan oil. Of course, if you guys seen my hair routine, then you know that I love this oil. I always put this in my hair once I'm done styling it, just to give it a little bit of shine. So that's basically what I put in my hair. I'm telling you guys, I definitely love the blow dryer. It did an awesome job. I love it. It's just so good, and it's inexpensive. So if you are debating on getting the Revlon brush, blow dryer, whatever you call it, definitely pick it up if you guys are interested, because it's really good. I definitely loved it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.